In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and add a user. You'll need administrator access to do so. So to get started, click on the Settings tab and then go to People. Next, you'll want to enter the email and then the role of the person and then click Send Invitation. So I've already done this as an example. You'll get an email to join. You click this link here and you enter your name. You confirm the email address. And then we'll use this example password and click register. And then you'll see here that I'm now logged in. And this is my new user account here. The user will now appear. So if I refresh this page, they'll now appear in the People tab. Right here, you see my new user, where you can edit their permissions. To edit the role of the staff, you first click this cog icon, and then you can change it to anything that you'd like here. When choosing license levels, there's 4 options defined for you that I'm going to define for you. So administrator means you have full access to everything in the system. A senior manager means you don't have access to the back end, but you do have full visibility into the company's sales and can export into Excel. A manager means that you don't have access to the back end, but you do have full visibility into individual reports of who reports to them, and you can't export into Excel. Staff means you don't have access to the back end. You do have visibility into your personal files and reports, but you can't export into Excel either. And just a note, a manager, in order to receive accountability alerts, managers need to be assigned to every user. To edit who this user reports to, you click on the yellow bell icon. In these notification settings, you can choose who the user will report to from a drop-down menu here. Here you can set up notifications for the manager. These notifications will go to the user selected in the reports to area. So for example, I'll select myself. And then the days here refer to how many days late the activity is. So I will get a notification that this new user, if they have a referral that's 2 days late, then I'll get a notification. Just click save once you've completed updating that. Next, to edit a user's quotas, you click the $sign. From here, you can add new quotas by clicking the plus sign. You can edit current quotas by clicking this little pencil. You can delete them by clicking the trash can. And you can choose whether to include the user's quotas in the company reports here. So it just looks like this. You put the month and the year that the quota is for, the bid count, the bid volume, the gross margin, and then if it's for a contract, the contract count, volume, gross margin, and then how many hours this counts for. Okay. Now, next, to edit a user's sales behaviors, you click the list icon. Now here you can edit the value for each sales behavior by clicking the pen icon here. The value number gives credit for each activity, such as 1 hour for, okay, comments is not a good example. Let's say 1 hour for proposal delivered, or here it says a half an hour. And it gives credit to the salesperson for that activity, showing how much time they spent on it. And that is it for adding and editing a user.